Hi, my name is Thor Pedersen and I'll be your instructor today. I have for many years helped friends, colleagues and students pass their IT security certifications because I'm good at explaining the concepts in a way they understand. And I obviously also hold a good deal of the certifications myself. I have my CISSP, I have my Ethical Hacker, I have CompTIA Security Plus, my PMP, I have a CCNP and a couple of CCNAs, as well as a slew of other smaller certifications. And I have for the last 20 plus years worked in most fields of IT. And me teaching was not really something I planned on. It just kind of sort of happened. I would help some colleagues with their certification, then more colleagues would show up, then their friends, then the company I work for asked me to do official training, so at some point I took the hint and started teaching professionally. And I teach both in person and online classes like this one. I did put a lot of thought into if I should do talking head videos, just like here where you see a little guy in the corner, or just PowerPoint slides with my voiceover. In the end, I went with the PowerPoint slides and the voice, because to me at least, the person moving and gesturing down there, even though you get a better relationship with them, they also are slightly distracting. I did also talk to my students about it, what they thought was best, and it was somewhere like 40% didn't like it, 40% liked it, and the last 20% did not care. So for now at least, no little Thor in the corner gesturing when I talk. I have also had some students tell me, you talk too fast, or you talk too slow. Since we all have different preferences on that, I try to talk somewhere in the middle of that. Not too fast and not too slow, if you still think that's an issue. Both on the Udemy website and on the mobile apps, there's a little 1x you can click on, and there you can either slow down or speed up the video.